Is your iPhone battery just not lasting like it used to? Well, you might actually be able to get a brand new one from Apple for free. Let's walk through the official process so you know exactly what to do.
So, let's get right to it. The big question on everyone's mind. Is Apple actually going to replace your battery for free? You're tired of living life plugged into a wall, so what are the rules here?
Okay, here's the bottom line. The answer is yes, but only under two specific conditions. First, if your phone has a manufacturing defect and it's still inside that 1-year warranty period. Or, second, if you've got AppleCare and your battery's health has dropped below 80%. Keep in mind, just regular wear and tear doesn't count for the free options.
Now, before you book an appointment or head to a store, there's a little prep work you need to do. Think of it as a pre-service checklist. Let's run through it so you're all set.
First up, verify your warranty status. Is it still active? While you're at it, check if you have an AppleCare plan. If you do have AppleCare, you'll need to go into your settings and confirm the battery capacity is actually below 80%. Next, try to identify the problem. Is it a defect or just normal aging? And this next one is absolutely crucial: back up your data. Then you'll need to turn off your passcode and other security features. And finally, just make sure you have your proof of purchase ready to go. All right, once you've gone through that checklist, you need to figure out which service path you're on. It's kind of like a decision tree with 3 main branches.
The first branch is the most straightforward. If you've got a defective battery and you're still inside that 1-year limited warranty, your service is covered. Simple as that.
Now for branch number 2. This one's for anyone with an active AppleCare plan. If your battery capacity is under 80%, your replacement is covered at no additional cost to you. It's one of the big perks of that plan. And the third branch covers everyone else. If your iPhone is out of warranty, or if the battery is just worn out from normal use, you can still get it serviced by Apple. You'll just have to pay a fee for it.
So, you know which path you're on. Now, how do you actually get the service? Let's walk through the 4 steps to get your battery replaced.
Step 1 is to officially check your coverage status. You can do this online or right in your iPhone settings. Step 2 is preparing your device, which we covered. Do the backup and reset your security. For step 3, you get to choose your service type. You can go in-store, mail it in, or even try a self-service repair. And finally, step 4, you submit the phone for inspection, where they'll do one last check.
Okay, knowing what to do is half the battle. Knowing what not to do is just as important. Let's look at a few common mistakes that can really complicate things. Here are 3 big ones to avoid. First, never ever open the device yourself. You could cause damage that won't be covered by the warranty. Second, I'll say it again, don't forget to back up your data. Apple isn't responsible if it's lost. And third, avoid going to unauthorized service providers because any damage they might cause isn't covered by Apple.
When you actually speak with Apple support, you want to be as clear as possible. Here's a precise line you can use. It tells them right away that you understand the policy that applies to you.
And here's another great line. Saying this up front shows them that you've done your part and your device is ready to go. It can really help speed the whole process along.
Just one last thing. This is all based on Apple's official public documentation, but policies can always change. So it's a really good idea to confirm everything directly with Apple support before you proceed. Following these steps should help you get that battery replaced without any stress.